first, we're going to start with this purple cauliflower. I use an 8-inch chef, and I kind of like pick away at the greens first. I get them uniform in big chunks, like this. Drizzle with some olive oil. The oven's pretty high. It's like at 440, anything above 425. So we're gonna do bear claw and do it as thin as you can for this salad. We have a bowl of arugula, but we're gonna add the onions now. I'm gonna use this bit of cabbage that I had. So just take your time at first until you get good with the knife. You need a crunch. I like Marcona almonds. So we're gonna take our roasted cauliflower, ginger white balsamic, nice glug of olive oil, salt. Here's a simple salad with a roasted veg and some greens. A little crunch with the Marcona almonds, a really good vinegar, olive oil, and salt.